call an ambulance? Deliveries. Oh, she's going. Oh my god! Oh fuck. Oh no, can you call an ambulance, please?
Oh my god.
Oh! Ada kecelakaan.
Iya, aku dengar juga.
Fucking hell, bro! Oh shit, Jeff. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit.
He's still going. What did he hit?
He hit our mate.
Oh shit.
Fucking hell. I lucked out real hard there. Holy shit.
Shit, are we gonna get hit? Are we gonna get hit?
No.
My car, okay?
Yeah, we're alright. Fuck me.
Fucking kidding. I just crashed into him. You fuckhead. Fuck! Fucking dumb cunt!
Oh shit, what was that, Adam?
The car hit us. Fucking idiot.
Oh,
You alright?
yeah. I wondered what that was. Did they try and overtake you?
No, flying up behind us.
Oh.